I don't know if you guys have seen Squid Game season 1, but it was literally a cult following. लोगों को इतना ज़्यादा पसंद था ये शो, right, Kamran? I think सब लोगों ने इस तरीके से देखा है कि मतलब ख़त्म वेट नहीं किया जा रहा था लोगों का for the first season, last episode, and now आप मुझे बता रहे हैं कि season 2, season 1 से भी बेहतर है.
That's what I felt.
That's what you felt, and of course you're a film critic, and we can take your word for it. आपको क्यों ज़्यादा बेहतर लगा Squid Game 2?
I think because primarily it does not repeat the same formula again.
Yes.
Like they're doing whatever they can to make it different.
Yeah.
And the best thing about it is that there was this whole overarching narrative about all of these characters and their motives and all of the stuff that happened in the first season. That doesn't stop. वो momentum की train, वो character के motive की train, वो narrative के threads, वो रुके नहीं हैं. वो continue हो गए.
Yeah.
So once you sort of like एक आपका जो दहलीज होती है, एक आपके पास एक लिमिट होती है, आप उसको पार करके आगे जाते हैं ना. It's about that.
Yeah.
So it's mostly about additional conflicts and where you stand as a character at the end of last season, where you're going to take it. What are you going to do? Because last season we knew that जो Gi-hun का character है, the main lead of that show.
Yeah. Jung Jae-lee.
Jung Jae-lee. Yeah. So he won this.
Yeah.
He won the lottery.
Yeah.
But what is he going to do about it? If I don't know if I'm spoiling it for people who haven't seen it, but he had to make a decision whether to leave or come back. And
और 3 साल बाद आया.
3 साल बाद आया.
Guys, I'm really sorry. You can tune out अगर आपको लग रहा है कि हम खराब कर रहे हैं. But yeah, 3 साल बाद he did come out and he's fighting the system.
Achha, the thing is, he's fighting the system, and it also seems very apparent that the system is bigger than him.
Yeah.
So how much can one guy, even if he has all the money in the world, how much can he change that system? And that keeps it engaging too. It's not just about the Squid Games.
Yeah.
Squid Games, पिछले season के सामने, it comes very late in this series. Right?
Yeah.
And it's just 7 episodes.
Yeah.
So once these games come in, I won't spoil anything, magar things start to take a different turn. For the entirety of the episode, and you keep on wondering, oh, अच्छा सही, अब ये कर लिया, तो how is the management of the Squid Game going to react to this?
Of course.
So it becomes very brutal in a different sense.
Different sense.
And
it's quite brutal anyway, Kamran. If you think about it, अगर आप पहला वाला season भी अभी हम यही commercial break में discuss कर रहे थे कि वो concept of zero sum game पे based है. और आपने मुझे एक और भी suggest किया कि मैं इस तरह का show देखूं. And I think that this time around, what they're trying, they always pick up very major issues. Korean dramas. पहले अगर उन्होंने ये उठाया कि me winning means you have to lose. Right? वो एक चीज थी पहले सीजन में, that would keep you at the edge of your seat कि oh my god पता नहीं क्या होगा. Right? One person won, one person, and now that person is fighting the system, जो कि एक बड़ी high risk situation भी दिखाई है. तो आपको क्या लग रहा है कि given that कोरिया में भी हम ये चीज देखते हैं, तभी आप उनके ड्रामे देखें और सीरियल्स देखें, वो भी यही चीज रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं. तो as a person, as a viewer, would you feel really repelled by such a script, or would you feel sorry for them, or would you feel like as if के ये बड़ी एक सही चीज़ दिखाई है कि पावर बंदे को क्या कर देती है, आप दोस्ती छोड़ देते हो, लॉयल्टी छोड़ देते हो.
It's reflective of a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Well, all of the things that you mentioned, of course, they're there. But at the end of the day, it is also reflective of what the society is.
Yeah.
It's a cutthroat world in Japan, Korea. This Eastern Asian countries work on a very different mental approach.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ बहुत सारे मसले societal भी हैं. And it's not like this is the first time, like I mentioned, Zero Sum Game के अंदर, if you look at it, there's this anime called Death Note. It's a manga. It's very, very popular.
Yeah.
It's also about Zero Sum Game. It's also, then there's Liar Game.
Yeah.
There are a lot of stuff that where stories are based on desperate characters that are faced with impossible choices in a process of elimination. And most of them are very catastrophic.
Yes, of course.
So it's always that, and it's reflective of what their mindset is. So एक चीज़ हो जाती है, and as narratives, the best thing about it is कि वो रुकते नहीं है क्लीशे के अंदर.
Yeah.
Again, मैंने जैसे कहा कि क्लीशे भी है, तो क्लीशे अच्छा होता है.
अच्छा होता है.
तो ये अच्छा क्लीशे है, it keeps you on the edge. I mean, अभी तो आपने पहला एपिसोड ही शायद देखा है.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So I'm not going to spoil it to you for you, मगर in the next 2 episodes you're going to say, अच्छा, oh my God, this is how they're taking it as a story. So that makes it very different.
Okay, Kamran, done. And before we go for break, जल्दी से हमें आप rating दे दें इसकी out of 10.
Oh, a solid 8.
8.
Yeah.
Good job, guys. Kamran's given this an 8.